Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best stepper driver is probably one of the most essential components for any robotics or CNC project. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of stepper motor drivers, exploring their features, performance, and how to select the perfect one for your specific needs, so you can make informed decisions and get your projects moving smoothly. Number 5. TB6600 4A Stepper Motor Driver for CNC. This is a 4-pack of TB6600 stepper motor drivers. It's designed for CNC controllers and supports a wide voltage range. It's a reliable choice for your projects. It operates on a 9V, 42V DC power supply, utilizing an H-bridge bipolar constant phase flow drive. This allows it to efficiently control your stepper motors. The driver offers a maximum output current of 4.0 A, with 8 current options. You can also choose from 6 subdivision models, up to 32 subdivisions. It includes energy-saving semi-automatic current lock function, built-in temperature protection, and overcurrent protection. These features ensure the safety and longevity of the device. This driver can control 2-phase stepper motors for forward and reverse rotation. It supports 1-2, W1-2, 2W1-2, and 4W1-2 phase excitation modes. With just a clock pulse signal, it can drive a 2-phase bipolar stepper motor. This design leads to low vibration and high efficiency operation. What we like. This driver offers a robust 4A output, perfect for demanding applications. It also provides up to 32 subdivisions for smooth motion. With built-in temperature and overcurrent protection, it ensures safety. If you are working on a CNC machine or a project that requires high power and precision, you should consider this one. What people say. The driver is easy to set up and use. The stepper motor driver works as expected. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. Number 4. EASON TB6600 Stepper Motor Driver for Nema 1723. This is an upgraded version of the TB6600 driver. It comes with a protective plastic cover. This driver is designed for precision and control. The subdivision has been increased to 32, allowing for high-resolution stepping. This feature makes it ideal for applications requiring fine movements. It ensures smooth and accurate operation. It operates with a dynamic voltage from 9V to 42V, and a maximum drive current under 4A. This flexibility makes it compatible with various stepper motors. It provides reliable performance. This driver is suitable for 2-phase stepping motors, including Nema 17 and 23 series. It supports 4, 6, and 8-wire configurations. It offers versatility in motor selection. It's perfect for small to medium-sized automated equipment with CNC controllers. This includes XYZ tables, labeling machines, laser cutters, and engraving machines. It is a great choice for your projects. What we like. This driver is an upgraded version of the TB6600, featuring a plastic cover for added protection. The 32 subdivision allows for high precision. It is suitable for a wide range of applications. If you are looking for a reliable and precise driver for your Nema 17 or 23 stepper motor, this is a great choice. What people say. The driver is easy to set up and use. The product works as advertised and it's a great value. This driver is perfect for my CNC project. Number 3. A 4988 stepper motor driver modules with heat sinks. This is the A4988 stepper motor driver module. It's designed for 3D printers like Mendel and Huxley, and it's also compatible with Arduino. It's a versatile module for your projects. The module uses a simple step and direction control interface. This makes it easy to integrate into your projects. Remember to take anti-static measures before use to prevent any issues. It offers 5 different step resolutions. You can choose from full step to 16th step. This allows for precise control of your motor's movement. The module has an output drive capacity of up to 35V and plus or minus 1.2 A. This allows it to power a wide range of devices. It's a powerful little component. You can set the maximum current output using a potentiometer. This gives you customized power management. This feature helps to optimize performance. It incorporates intelligent chopping control. It also has overtemperature shutdown, undervoltage lockout, and cross-current protection. These features ensure safe and reliable operation. What we like. This module offers a simple step and direction control interface, making it easy to use. It provides 5 different step resolutions for flexible motion control. The adjustable current control allows you to customize the power output. If you like to have fine-grained control over your 3D printer or robotics project, you should consider this one. What people say. The driver is easy to set up and use. The product is well designed and functions as expected. It works great with the stepper motor I have. Number 2. STEPPERONLINE DM542T Stepper Motor Driver. Introducing the updated DM542T version 4.0 stepper motor driver from STEPPERONLINE. This industrial-grade driver is designed for Nema 17 and 23 stepper motors, offering enhanced performance and reliability. The new version includes a 5V24V logical voltage selector. The factory setting is 24V, but you can easily switch to 5V if needed. This feature provides greater flexibility for your projects. This driver supports 1.04.2A and 2050 VDC, with 128 microstep resolution. It ensures precise control for your stepper motor applications. The pulse signal is 4-5V when PUL high and 0-0.5V when PUL low. The DM542T version 4.0 also features alarm outputs for added safety and monitoring. This allows you to easily integrate it into your existing systems and monitor its status. We stand behind our product with a 30-day free replacement or refund, a 1-year warranty, and lifetime customer service. This ensures you have the support you need. What we like. This industrial-grade driver is built for reliability and performance. It offers a high microstep resolution of up to 128, ensuring smooth and precise movements. With a wide voltage range, it is compatible with various stepper motors. If you are looking for a professional-grade driver for your CNC machine or automation project, you should consider this one. What people say. It is incredibly precise while doing micro steps. At low speed it is near silent, and it also excels at high speed. The construction is solid, the terminals are clearly labeled, and both the power and the microstep tables are printed on the cover for quick reference. Each motor can now be driven by 4 times as many pulses per second as before, and now they are not just more accurate, but also cooler, faster and stronger at the same time. Number 1. HiLetgo A4988 Stepper Motor Driver Module. This module offers a simple step and direction control interface. It's designed to make your 3D printing projects more precise and efficient. It's easy to use and integrates well with various systems. The module provides 5 different step resolutions. This allows you to fine-tune the movement of your stepper motor. You can choose the setting that best suits your project's needs. It boasts an output drive capacity of up to 35V and ± 1.2A. This ensures it can handle a variety of stepper motors. This feature provides the power needed for your 3D printer. You can set the maximum current output with a potentiometer. This allows you to optimize the module's performance. This feature helps prevent overheating and damage. The module automatically selects the correct current decay mode. This ensures efficient and smooth motor operation. This feature helps to extend the life of the module. It includes overtemperature thermal shutdown and undervoltage lockout. These features protect the module from damage. These safety measures ensure reliable performance. What we like. This driver features a simple step and direction control interface, making it easy to integrate into your projects. It offers multiple step resolutions for flexible motion control. The adjustable current control allows you to set the maximum output. If you are a hobbyist or a maker looking for a versatile and easy-to-use stepper motor driver, you should consider this one. What people say. Good no-frills replacement that replaced a failed driver. As long as you match them with the style of motor you own, they work perfectly. No problems with these boards. Perfect replacement for the Anycubic Chiron, and my 3018 CNC. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.